We are located in Granbury, Texas, on beautiful Lake Granbury.
Welcome to the Lake House. This is a place that my wife and I bought back in 2016, built in 1969.
Their system was not functioning very well. They needed something more energy efficient. So we're taking out a really old R22 system. We're going back with a new LG CV R32 system with the multi-position air handler. You can put it in an attic horizontally left or right. You can put it in a closet as a vertical.
That air handler is dead center in the middle of this house in a two-story house. So getting wire from the outdoor unit to the indoor unit was just going to be almost impossible. But they were able to use the existing thermostat wire.
The new LG CV line, it will make the process a lot smoother versus having to pull new wire, replacing Freon lines, things like that. Being able to use these existing things will really help the overall process and selling ability and marketability of this new equipment. It's just a big game changer as far as what LG is bringing to the table with it. It gets really hot here, and so the upstairs, you'll figure a heat gain of about 15% upstairs, and so we added a multi-zone LG system for the second story to give them supplemental air for upstairs. LG is really known for how quiet they are.
It's quiet, very, very, very quiet. And I was amazed that one of the features of the thermostat is it shows the relative humidity at that space. So it was down to about 50% relative humidity in our room, and just very, very comfortable. It's much more energy efficient, and everybody knows who LG is. You're talking about an outdoor unit that is inverter technology, the newest technology in the industry. It doesn't just have different speeds. It actually ramps up 1 degree at a time. Amazing technology, and LG's a leader in that.